My name is Jackie Kwang. I'm a certified nature and forest therapy guide with ANFT, and that stands for the Association of Nature and Forest Therapy Guides and Programs. I have been trained and mentored by Ben Page in Los Angeles. And this beautiful place here is Monrovia Canyon. I do walks here, and I also guide walks at the Switzer Falls and at the LA Arboretum. Sometimes people wonder, why do I need a guide in doing a walk in nature? And think about it, we can do walks by ourselves. And most of the time we are focused on doing exercising, to get fit or to stay fit. Or sometimes we just wonder what the heck is the waterfall, and we just rush along to get there, to get to that destination, that goal. There's nothing wrong with it, yet in the process of getting there, we are not truly here in this present moment, taking in all these wonders in the natural world, and not pausing to make connections with the beings here. Many of them have been patiently waiting, and tremendous healing can happen when we are present, witnessing, acknowledging, and connecting for both humans and the more than human world. With nature and forest therapy, a guide opens the doors and the forest does the healing. A trained guide like myself offers participants a series of invitations on the walk, and the invitations are intended to support people in opening up their senses, in getting still, in using their body intelligence to directly contact or make connection with the more than human world. And in that process, I see people processing their grief that has been bottled up for a long time, or they get a flash of inspiration seemingly out of the blue, or they get answers on life questions that have been baffling them for a long time. And after the invitations, we do counsel circles, and that provide participants opportunities to share, to be heard, to be witnessed. And in that process, they connect with themselves deeper, and they also connect with each other on a deeper level. And we end each walk with a beautiful tea ceremony that's held right here in nature. We share tea, and the tea is made from foraged plants on site. We share healthy snacks and, of course, a lot of laughter. And then we leave the forest feeling relaxed and revitalized. So, yeah, you can go on a walk by yourself, or you can be guided, just like yoga and meditation. But a lot of people report that being guided is just so much more impactful. And I certainly agree with them. So I look forward to seeing you on our next walk. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, I'm Johnny, and just recently, Miss Jackie invited me on one of her healing therapy walks. And it was more, at first I thought that I would, it's not that I had any expectations to begin with, but what I felt afterwards was I got a lot more than I had hoped. It not only touches you on a physical level, since you're doing all the fitness involved, but it also touches you on a more impactful emotional and spiritual level. Probably the biggest thing that I did gain from this journey with her. Especially, she is so sincere, she is so heartfelt. It's just the simple reminder to always be in the present moment. Just this idea that we are all connected in this present moment, that we all share and ravel in it. We often get strayed by the effects of the past or what happens in the future.
Hi, my name is Cheryl Lugin, author of the book Love Earth Now. It's a collection of stories of my own sanity-saving experiences in nature. I jokingly tell Jackie the book would have been much shorter if I'd done a guided forest therapy walk a long time ago. What I appreciate about the guided walks that she offers is that, number one, it normalizes some of the silly things that I used to do, thinking that people were hiking along the trail were judging me for, and then come to find out that it's a part of a therapeutic process. And number two, she offers so many more invitations than I could have come up with on my own, and so I appreciate her guidance. I appreciate the experiences in community, and I highly recommend a guided walk with Jackie Coyne.